We'll guide you through how to make a poster on PowerPoint Mac. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by opening the application on your device. Click Blank Presentation, then click Create in the bottom left corner to start. Next, click Layout and choose Blank so you have an empty canvas. Go to the Design tab, click Slide Size, and choose Page Setup. In Slide Size 4, select A3 paper. Under Slides, choose the left option, click OK, then click Scale Up to adjust the canvas. Right-click the slide, choose Format Background, select Solid Fill, and pick a light green color. Go to Insert, click Shapes, and choose Circle. Hold Shift and drag to create a perfect circle in your desired size. Duplicate the circle by holding Option and dragging it, releasing the circle first, then the Option key. Go to Insert, click Picture, choose Stock Image, select a burned forest, and click Insert. Resize the image to match the circle, send it backward, select both, go to Shape Format, click Merge Shapes, and choose Intersect. Change the back circle color to dark green to match the background. Duplicate the back circle and place it to the right and slightly higher. Insert an untouched forest image, resize it to fit the circle, and position it until the composition looks balanced. Select both, go to Shape Format, click Merge Shapes, and choose Intersect again. Go to Insert and choose Text Box, drag it to the size you want, and type Save Our Earth in Our Earth Forest. Change the font to bold and adjust the size so it is not too big or too small. Set the text fill to white and the outline to black. Shapes, choose Circle, and create an oval, then tilt it to your desired angle. Insert another circle to make a small circle and duplicate it twice by holding Option and dragging. Insert 3 untouched forest images, resize them to match the circles, place them behind, select the image first, and then the circle, go to Shape Format, click Merge Shapes, and choose Intersect. Repeat this step twice, and move them slightly downward. Ensure spacing looks balanced and aligned.